Okay.
I've lived in the area for over 60 years and was very shocked to think that over 11 kilometres of hedgerow are to be removed. Seeing the article in the Shropshire Star, Mr Jones, the new owner, and Morris Marshall and Poole, agents for Mr Jones, say that the land would be more efficiently utilised and that the hedgerows have very little wildlife value and are not historic. What a load of rubbish. All it means is that Mr Jones would make more money, but thousands and thousands of insects, birds and other animals would lose their food and homes. We live next to the land, and the thought of the patchwork patterned landscape disappearing into a large area of just soil fills my family with disgust. My late husband, his father and grandfather, farmed the land for over 100 years. Up until 20 years ago, the fields opposite our home were filled with peewits, curlews, skylarks, hares, kestrels, owls hunting from the wood, many other birds, and a load of wildflowers. These have greatly lessened because of the sprays. To destroy the hedges would be the end of plant and animal life in this lovely area. If the hedges are to be destroyed, what about the old oak trees? We keep being reminded about saving the planet for the next generation. So why destroy this lovely part of Shropshire? At the bottom of the track down one field next to the wood is an old damp area in which grow a smooth-leaved holly and a group of reeds. Many years ago my son asked me to go for a walk down there because he wanted to show me something. By using 2 reeds, a little reed bunting had made its mossy nest and laid its eggs. It was so beautiful and so cleverly done. Down the area of hedgerow were lots of linnets, reed bunting and yellow hammers. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. How true all this is. Plants, animals and humans each need each other, and it's about time that we realise that everything has the right to live and to be looked after. To me, wildlife is being destroyed by greed of man. My family all oppose the hedges being destroyed. To destroy the hedges and trees would be a massive mistake which would never be able to be put right. It's about time we learn to look after and not to destroy. There is an abundance of wildlife, including dormice, living among these hedges. What nonsense it is to say that these over 100-year-old hedges have very little wildlife value and are not historic. And many other plants. To me, save the hedges, trees, plants and wildlife.